Okay, Dr. Leach is here with a very short lecture. I noticed that Dr. Carlton had given some information having to do with accessing the library resources and had embedded it in her discussion on the syllabus, which I did a separate one on. So this is just the part about that. Later on there will be another short presentation on actually how to locate certain research documents for one of your assignments. This is coming in effect for assignment the following week. But all I want to do here is show you that there is a link for library tools, and if you select that, it brings you up to the website for the FSU library, particularly for the computer science library access. And there is some information there, including a person that's specifically designated as a librarian to assist with computer science type operations. There's some suggestions for some of the more popular journals dealing with computer science, including the ACM Digital Library and IEEE. An opportunity for you to actually ask a question from the librarian. What I did want to do is go ahead and go to the library home and show you that at that point there's a number of choices you can pick. One is called Research Guides. If you do select that, then you can essentially search for different research guides for various disciplines. But instead, if you just, under the search, if you just type APA citation and search, then there will be a whole series of articles. In particular, this very first one, if you'll click on APA, you'll see that does talk about the citation guide for APA, which is referenced and referred to a number of times in Dr. Carlton's lectures. And there's all kinds of resources on how to use proper footnoting and citations and stuff. In particular, though, there was a part later on that gives you sort of a little cheat sheet, how to cite, what a citation should look like if it's one author or multiple authors and so on. So hopefully, this is enough to give you a head start on the kind of stuff that hopefully you've already been exposed to in some of your earlier classes in some of the liberal studies courses that are there. So that's really all I wanted to show you in this presentation. So that's it, and you'll have one later on that talks a little bit more about how to locate an article and to actually get the text and include it in your post. Thanks.